Hi guys, welcome to today's video. What we're gonna be doing today is a staple recipe of mine, especially when I'm cutting, and that is tuna patties. I will talk you through the ingredients. It's a very simple one, literally in 10 minutes you're sorted. They taste amazing and they're pretty much pure protein. So this is tuna patties and we move right into it. What you're gonna need. The ingredients are very simple. We start off with mustard. Loads of flavor, 0 calories. Moving on to mayo. Now this is optimal and I want you to make sure you're using the lighter than light. Because if you go light mayo, this one's from Hellmann's for example, if you go light, the calories are nearly double and it can definitely pile up. This one is 11 calories per tablespoon really. Next one, parsley. Now this one again adds loads of flavor. This is live parsley, but you can get the dried herb, that's absolutely fine if you choose to. After that, we need 1 lemon, which we're gonna use the zest from and then squeeze some on top. Some oats here, 20 grams, it helps with consistency, keeping the patties nice and firm. And finally, our protein, this is tuna here, tuna chunks in water. I'm going for 2 tins here, and that serves 1 person, if that person lifts obviously, because this is gonna be close to 50 grams of protein. I will write all the macros at the end of the video, so make sure you stick to that, but obviously the macros and calories are gonna vary a bit depending on which products you use. So this is all for the ingredients, quite simple really, and let's move right into the making of this, and I'll catch you all later when it's done and assess. Okay, first we drain the tuna. Now we throw the tuna in our main mixing bowl. Now we mash the tuna. Next, mustard in, 1 teaspoon. Next the mayo, 1 teaspoon. Now we're gonna fine chop this bad boy. In it goes. Add the oats in. Next, chop the lemon in half. Now we take 1/2 of the lemon and we're gonna grate it. We're gonna use that zest, it really helps with the flavor. Lemon zest, ready, in it goes. Next one, 1 egg. Now, I didn't mention this in the ingredients earlier because it's optional. Some people really don't like eggs. I personally love them and it really helps with the consistency, making them nice and firm. So, 1 egg in. Time for seasoning. Oof. Salt and pepper. Next, we take 1/2 of those lemons and we squeeze it in. This is all the ingredients in here. Give it a good mix. Make sure you mix it nice and well so you have a consistent, thick paste. Get the pan on. High heat. Next, I'll be spraying some of this 1 kilocalorie spray. It's totally optional. You don't have to do it, especially if your pan is non-stick. 4 or 5 sprays, that's all you need. Now it's time to form the patties. With this quantity, I would recommend anywhere from 2 to 4 patties overall. Give it a little squeeze with a spatula. Now we want to give it a good 2 to 3 minutes for the first time on each side, just so they get nice and golden. That's the color we want to aim for. And as you will see, they will start becoming quite thick. And the egg really helps with that consistency as well. Time to flip. Now, see this color and this texture? This is exactly what we want to see. They look ready to me. As a final step, squeeze some of that lemon on top. And there you have it. They look and smell amazing, and believe me, they also taste amazing. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. As I said, this is a staple of mine whenever you're cutting. It's so simple to make. Ideal dinner, for example, after a busy day. Maybe you're working out in the evening, you don't have that much time. 10 minutes, all you need, pure protein. Now, condiments wise, I don't really use anything since we've already used some mayo and mustard inside, but it's up to you. And obviously, if you want to turn this to a bulking meal, or if your calories are allowed for the day, of course you can accompany it with other carbs, potatoes, rice, or anything that might do it for you. That's enough of me talking really. I'm really hungry. I'm about to devour this. Before we end this, these are the macros for this meal. And yeah, as you can see, pretty much all protein and very low calories. Thank you very much for watching. Catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.